Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Share Me app iPhone to Android. Transferring files between iPhone and Android using the Share It option called Share Me in some regions as possible through Wi-Fi Direct or the same network connection or the scan option. However, iPhones have stricter system limits, so the process usually works through the app interface or web-based transfer method. Once set up correctly, you can send photos, videos, and documents quickly between devices. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for the Share It app or compatible transfer app. Tap Get to download and install it on your iPhone. Install the same app on your Android phone from the Play Store. Open Share It on both devices. Allow required permissions like photos, files, and local network access. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network if needed. On iPhone, tap Send inside the app. Select the files you want to transfer, then tap Next or Send to begin searching for devices. On Android, tap Receive to make it discoverable. Wait for the iPhone to detect the Android device. Then tap the Android device name to start the transfer, or you can use the QR code if the other way around doesn't work. Then confirm the transfer on both devices and wait for the completion for the Android to receive the file. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.